Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech, pools and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. If you have a pool like me, you know how hard it is to deal with leaves and stuff that fall in, debris. I mean, I live across the road here, probably you can hear the cars. It's like dust coming in, like flying and then landing in the pool. So you know how annoying it is to clean the pool by hand. And what I'm going to show you today is a very budget-friendly pool cleaner. It's a very strong vacuum pool cleaner. I'm talking about the Wybot C1. I've had it for a couple of weeks, and I must say, up to now, after like reviewing 3, 4, or 5 pool robots, this is the best one on the list, and it's probably sitting in the middle of the price. Let's roll the intro first, and let's talk about it. Unboxing of the C1 was really straightforward. Within 10 minutes the bot was in the pool and it was already cleaning. I didn't know what program was on. I just wanted to test it and I put it in the water and it started running. And that was, I mean, when an unboxing is so fast and straightforward, it's something that I like. I've reviewed, this is the 4th or the 5th pool robot that I review, and I'm impressed by the quality and mostly because of the price. We're talking about a less than $400 robot, and I mean, I remember 5 or 6 years ago you had to buy one that was at least $1,500 with a long cable, and it was a mess every time to take it out, and it was horrible. If you think about it, that the price went down like just 20%, 30% of what it was at the time, and you basically have the same results. And you have an app and you can choose how it does the cleaning and what it does. On the old ones, you just had only one button and the robot did everything itself. I mean, that's a robot that my parents still have. It does a great job, don't get me wrong, but you don't have all the features that you have packed now in a wireless robot. So okay, let's have a look at the Wybot C1. As you can see, it's a slick design, looks like a tank. In here you have the basket, which is really well done and easy to clean, as you will see in a bit. Goes back in here and it closes. And you have a LED indicator here, rails here, very sturdy for when they're climbing the walls of the pool, but at the same time they're soft so it doesn't damage your pool. Here you have 2 main brushes that actually I understood and I saw it working. They work independently and they work with every torsion, like so it's going right. One is moving faster than the other, so it changes direction using different powers on these 2 brushes. Underneath, the C1 filtration system gobs up all dirt, leaves and whatever else decides to take a dip in your pool. It's like a little underwater vacuum cleaner sucking up nearly 1,000 liters per hour, which is kind of incredible if you think about it. I mean, it's basically recirculating your water as fast as a medium-sized water filter. So suction power, very, very, very strong. Now let's see how you charge this bad boy. Just open this. I will never stop saying this. Never forget to close this tightly, because if the water goes here, fuck up the robot. I don't think it will work anymore. It charges in 3 hours and it runs for 120 minutes. That can be split in many different programs. There's 4 different modes. There's the first one who cleans your pool for 120 minutes, and you can set it up if you want it to do just walls, just floor, or both of them, or complete cleaning together with the water line, because this does also cleaning of the water line. Again, going back to the program, you can do the first one, which is 120 minutes of cleaning. The second one, which you can do 2 days of 60 minutes. Third one, you do 3 days of 30 minutes each. And the one I used when I was on holiday, I was out for a week, and the dirt you're gonna see in a minute, it's what's been collecting for the last week, is the 4-time cleaning with 48 hours gap in between each 20 minutes cleaning. So that was amazing for me. I came back, the pool was actually clean. The pump was running all the time for 8 hours a day, so my pool was like fantastic when I came back after a week. So that's what I suggest to use when you're on holiday. So just to run some conclusion about the Wybot C1, it's impressive. I mean, I think it's gonna become the robot that I'm gonna use every day in my pool until it breaks, or until I find something better. But it's gonna be hard to find something better, because 400 euros for a bunch of tech that's in this robot and suction power, it's a no-brainer. Instead of buying, I mean, before getting into pool robots, I was buying the 100 euros one, and I bought a couple of them, and they kept breaking, and the system was different. They used to move with pushing away water, like propulsion, but it didn't do a good job. That wasn't working for me. I mean, another robot from Wybot has that technology. It does a good job, but if you have a 6 meters by 3 at least swimming pool, you need something that does the job for you. And this Wybot does a really, really great job. Again, for that price. All the links to buy the Wybot C1 will be down in the description. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this fast review. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video.